See this photo? Pretty cool, right? What if I told you I took and edited this just from home with my phone? Here's how you can do the same. Hi, welcome to the Snow Creators Lab. Perhaps you're a small business owner and you want to take professional looking photos for your beauty products. However, you might not have the time nor the resources to rent a studio or hire a photographer. Luckily, there are some ways to take and edit such photos without the stars having to align. I'll be showing you a few photo ideas, how to make them from home with your phone and for free. The first idea we'll be trying are these photos that use shadows. These kinds of photos are always nice, with the shadows giving that photo extra depth and detail as well as its own aesthetic. For this look, you'd ideally need direct sunlight as well as an object or a plant with an interesting shadow. However, let's say you have neither the direct sunlight to work with nor the convenient palm leaf. Not to worry, we can still make this work. We're going to film this on a white surface, perhaps a table or a bed. If there's no white surface, pieces of paper should do the trick, as long as they cover the entirety of the background of the product. Place your product and take some photos from different angles, and make sure the products are in focus. We're going to take these photos to the EPIK app. It's my go-to free app for anything involving photo editing. Let's go ahead and open the photos in EPIK. If there are any parts of the background that are cut off, or you can see the edges of the paper, you can use the remove tool to fix them. Now, we're going to be adding those shadows we mentioned earlier. In stickers, there's a collection called Botanical, which has a bunch of plant shadow assets. Simply add one to your image, adjust the size and opacity, and there we go. We can now make color adjustments to make the whole thing look better. What do you think? For this next idea, we're going to be using your laptop screen. Seeing as your laptop can display any image, it could be the perfect background. This works best with products with some transparency. For the image to show on the screen, I would suggest the sky or a mild pattern, but you can try different options and see how they look. Once that's decided, you want to set up a platform on which the product can stand just in front of the screen. Then take some photos straight on. After making some adjustments in EPIK, this is how it turned out. Pretty good. Let's say you want one of those photos that just show the product with a completely white background for an e-commerce shop. Maybe you already took some product photos, but they have a background or the background isn't white enough. Again, EPIK can help you. We can open the photo and go to the cutout tool. If it doesn't automatically select the product, you can use the outline, brush, or eraser to refine your selection. With the product having been cut out, tap on the background button here. Pick white. Now you can adjust the size of your cutout, and we have a perfectly good image to upload to your website. Turns out you don't need all the professional equipment or setup for the right photos. Sometimes it can already be done with just the tools at your disposal. Hopefully this video gave you some ideas that you'll be able to follow or modify to your liking. I'll be leaving a link in the description to EPIK, the photo editing tool we use extensively throughout this video. Feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like these, be sure to like and subscribe to the Snow Creators Lab.